Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Rex and Restorations. Today we got the Matchbox number 24 by Lesney Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. This thing was in rough condition, paint-wise. I'd already had pre-drilled and tapped, but I hadn't taken it apart yet. So we're doing that right now. Little suspension piece fell out. Oh, this tire, somebody had melted it, I guess. So I was going to have to come up with an idea on that, which I did. After I got all the interior parts out, I had to grind down the rivets with a little ball grinder to get the front bumper and grill assembly out. Just take your time, use the ball grinder or something similar. Take the rivet down. Take your little screwdriver. Just pop it out carefully. Now we're going to take the wheels off the axles so I can get the one melted back into place. I like these little jeweler's burr grinders. They give you a little more control. And off she comes. Now it's time for our favorite stripper, Fifi, La Citresse. I know, that's getting old. My legs were really bothering me that day, so I skipped the bench wire wheel and used my Dremel to polish it up. It's cleaned up really nice. And I put all the parts in a little warm water and some soap, including the body. Interior was pretty clean, considering how bad the outside was treated and looked. After I cleaned the windshield, I used some plastic polish and polished it up the best I could, but I didn't realize that the paint that they had got on it on the side had eaten into the plastic, and I wasn't able to sand or polish that out. Here I am using a little polish polishing up the body. And of course, we always hit our steel wool. Time to dip our windshield in the pledge. It turned out better than I thought it was going to. But those side windows, whatever, like I said, whatever paint had been on there, they got on there. It kind of ate into the window. You can see it a little bit there. I decided just to heat up one of my dental tools and just kind of putty this tire back into place to some degree. And it turned out alright, considering what it looked like at the beginning. Here we are with our primer stage. I realized after I was done painting it, I should have probably used a top coat of some kind of silver. The gray primer kind of dulled out the burgundy metallic. This color in person really, really shines with all that metallic in there. Got to get my filming skills updated. Those tires, then I put them on one of the nails that I keep handy, and I hit it with a little sandpaper to get it all back to its original shape. Then I gave each one of them a little tire wash. And I popped the hub caps, or whatever they call them, back in. Get the wheels on now. It rolls a hell of a lot better now than it did. Now we're putting back on the front bumper and grill assembly. Pops back into place real easy. Take a little thick super glue, CA glue, whatever you want to call it. Put it on the rivets, hit it with the activator, and she's solid again. Get that windshield back in. Again, another little dab of CA glue. Little activator. And she's in for good. This interior threw me a fit. Every time I think I'd have it in place, it would move and then be a son of a gun to get back out realigned. I always put a little dab of CA glue back on when I put that suspension strip back in there, which I might add had to have the hot water and ice treatment. God, I gotta work on my filming skills. Here's a little look back at what she looked like at the beginning and how she ended up. I think it turned out really well. I added detail in for the tail light, the front blinker beacons. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.